High-res audio players are serious hardware for serious listeners. Today we're comparing two heavyweights, the FiiO M23 and the iBasso DX180. Both are premium DAPs, but which one is better for your music journey? Let's break it down. So the FiiO M23 is a flagship tier digital audio player that pairs high-end DACs with powerful amplification and balanced outputs. It's popular for its clean sound, user-friendly UI, and versatility. Some of its key strengths: high-resolution audio support, PCM up to 32-bit, 768 kHz, and DSD 512. Balanced output, great power for demanding headphones, precise tuning with FiiO sound modes and filters, and solid battery life and robust UI that's easy to navigate. Some of its pros: powerful clean amplifier, plenty of headroom even for planar headphones, great neutrality with a touch of musical warmth, excellent for wide genre listening, well-rounded features, Bluetooth codecs, streaming, expandable storage, and mature OS with stable performance. However, it might feel less characterful compared to players with more musical coloration. UI isn't the most modern, functional but not class-leading. Some users want even more amplification for very hard-to-drive cans. It's best for broad listeners who want clean, neutral sound with strong power and smooth daily usability. The iBasso DX180 is iBasso's high-end flagship player, known for its exceptional sound quality, flexible tuning, and premium hardware. It uses discrete amp stages and supports advanced filters and tuning to satisfy picky ears. Some of its key strengths: premium sound architecture, often described as rich, smooth, and detailed, tons of customization, filters, crossfeed, output levels, and balanced SE modes. Strong support for high-res codecs and advanced sampling rates. Balanced output with serious power for large headphones. Some of its pros: natural musical presentation, lush mids and controlled highs, tons of sound shaping options for fine-tuning your favorite gear, high-end build and internal tuning options that appeal to audiophiles, excellent synergy with both IEMs and larger dynamic planar headphones. However, it is a bit larger and heavier than average DAPs, less pocket-friendly, software isn't always as polished, the learning curve is higher, and battery life can be shorter under high output. It's best for audiophiles who want depth, musicality, and fine-tuning, the kind of player you listen with, not just throw in your pocket. So which one wins? In terms of sound quality, DX180 leans richer and more musical, great for emotional, detailed listening. The M23 leans cleaner and more neutral, perfect for genre-agnostic use. In terms of power and versatility, the M23 edges ahead for battery life and UI stability. The DX180 wins for audiophile level customization and sonic depth. The bottom line: pick the FiiO M23 if you want a great all-around DAP that stays neutral, powerful, and reliable. Pick the iBasso DX180 if you want tuning, flexibility, deep musicality, and premium audiophile character, even if the software takes a bit more learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.